Hello everyone, welcome back. In my last video I made a bug hotel. Well, I tried to make two and I didn't have enough material to fill this one. So what I've decided to do is make this into a large bird box. And what I've got is some more offcuts of feather edge board, which I'm going to use to clad the front. So what I did is I offered up this piece of feather edge to the box and marked the width with a Sharpie, and I'm going to cut 3 pieces to the width that I need. So I'm going to get the first 2 pinned on, then the third one's going to have to be scribed to the inside of the roof line. So I've decided it might be easier if I cut and scribe this piece first and then cut a piece to fit in the middle. So what I'm going to do is what I did was I cut 45 on both sides, which gets rid of most of the material. And now what I'm going to mark is where these gaps start here and here. And then I need to cut out the thickness of the piece of feather edge board along there and along there. And I'm going to try doing that with the bandsaw. After a few attempts at cutting the inside of the roof shape out, this is about as close as I'm going to get. But it doesn't matter because I'm going to be putting some barge boards over the front to cover up any gaps. So now I can get this board and this board fitted. and I've just cut this down widthways, or lengthways I should say, just to fit it better. So yeah, what I've just done is cut some strips of the same feather edge board, about 4 centimeters wide, and I put a 45 on the end of each, and I'm just going to use them to cover up the ends of the roof pieces. Now to finish this bird box off, I'm just going to put a 32mm hole roughly in the middle, about 2/3 of the way up. So yeah, that is it all done. I've just quickly cut the overhang off the back of it off camera and added a little hanging bracket. But yeah, this was just a quick follow up to the last video where I couldn't get the bug hotel finished. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.